Welcome to the tutorials. Today we'll learn about radial gradient, and for the demonstration we have a div with the ID of 1, and we already set some styles. So we have a height of 600 pixels and the width of 600 pixels. Now to add, we're gonna add a background. So background, and we're gonna use radial gradient. And the minimum parameters we can add to radial gradient are we need at least 2 color stops. So let's add let's say black and white. Now let's check our div. So this is, as a start, this is what we have. We're just using the black and white color stops. Let's add a blue one. So after the white, let's add blue. Let's check it again. This is what we get after adding the third color stop. I think at this time you kind of get the gist of it. Now we have other things we can add. So we can add shape. We have only 2 shapes as options. We have circle, which is the default, and we have ellipse. Let's add an ellipse. Now we also can add a position. So we can say top. Now let's check it back on Navigator. This is what we get. Ellipse with the center of it at the top. Now we can change it to right. Let's check it. This is what we get. Thank you for watching and see you next time.